Deep within the shadows of the ancient forest, a divine blade glints in Lord Ram's hand. Critics have long claimed this moment was fueled by caste, but the truth hides a much deeper cosmic imbalance. Ancient commentaries, including the profound insights of Jagadguru Madhvacharya, reveal a startling reality.
Shambuk was no simple ascetic. He was the fierce Asura Janghasur reborn, performing penance not for peace, but to usurp Lord Shiva and claim Mata Parvati through a dark, calculated deception.
While he sought power, a silent tragedy gripped Ayodhya. As the city's chief medical officer, Shambuk had abandoned his sacred duty. His absence unleashed a devastating plague. The streets echoed with the cries of grieving parents and the loss of innocent lives. The kingdom was dying while the healer hid away.
Ram stood before him not to punish a Shudra, but to stop a traitor. Just as he struck down the Brahmin Ravana,
he now ended the Asura's deception. The sword descended, restoring the Dharmic order. Justice was served, defined not by birth, but by the weight of one's actions.